This is Dr. Kshipra Vadikar. Subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is chi-square distribution. Test based on chi-square distribution. In this case, we compare expected and observed frequencies. Thus, the null hypothesis here is H0 states that there is no significant difference between observed and expected frequencies against the hypothesis H1, which says that the specific distribution does not fit. Let O1, O2, so on up to On be the observed frequencies and E1, E2, so on up to En be the corresponding expected frequencies under H0. So here imagine a scenario like this. A certain experiment is performed. There are some observed frequencies and there is a set of expected frequencies. There are in all n expected frequencies and n observed frequencies. Under H0, it is assumed that there is no significant difference between observed and expected frequencies. Against the hypothesis H1, the specific distribution does not fit. Let capital N be summation OI, that is equal to summation EI, I running from 1 to up to K. Let P be the number of parameters estimated for fitting the frequency distribution. If H0 is true, then chi-square defined as summation I from 1 to up to K OI minus EI bracket square divided by EI has chi-square distribution with K minus P minus 1 degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is a parameter for chi-square distribution. Note that here the degrees of freedom is K minus P minus 1. P is the condition which will be given to us if required. Let us discuss one problem. So, a nationalized bank utilizes 4 teller windows to render the fast service to the customers. On a particular day, 800 customers were observed. They were given the services at different windows as below. So, window number 1, the number of customers visited is 150. Window number 2, the number of customers visited is 250. Window number 3, the number of customers visited is 170. And that at 4, 230 customers visited. Test whether the customers are uniformly distributed over the windows. Okay, let's imagine this scenario. In a bank, so many customers visit. So there are 4 teller windows to render the fast service. And it is expected that the customers are uniformly distributed over these 4 windows. So on one particular day, the number of customers visited to each window is given here. So these are all our observed frequencies. What we want to test? The hypothesis customers are uniformly distributed over the windows against the customers are not uniformly distributed over the windows. So let's write down it. So claim is the customers are uniformly distributed over 4 windows. So K is 4. H0 is customers on all windows are equal against H1 is that customers are not equal on all the windows. So chi-square of K minus P minus 1 is this one. Here K is 4, no parameter is mentioned, P is 0. So K minus P minus 1 is 3. and chi-square is 34. Now from table, chi-square at 3, 0.05 is 7.815. Tables for chi-square are available. One may refer this table with the given parameters. As chi-square 3 is greater than the chi-square tabulate from table, that is chi-square 3, 0.05, we reject H0 at 5% level of significance. So conclusion is that customers may not be uniformly distributed. Thank you.